You need to gather a boat. Is it set? Action.
Okay, that's good, sir. Let's proceed. You're going to read from the text, I believe.
Yes.
Let's go ahead.
Read, Commander.
Good afternoon. My name is Dr. George Nweke, MNI. I am the immediate past head of service of Rivers State. I resigned precisely on Monday on my own. I want to read on this.
Just 1 second. Please stand by.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Good afternoon once more. This is a press briefing by my humble self, Dr. George Nweke, FCA, MNI, immediate past head of service of Rivers State. My dear people of Rivers State, it is with humility and every sense of responsibility and a sense of patriotism that I stand to address you today as your former head of service and someone who served from my heart. You will recall that I was appointed as head of service by our suspended governor, Governor Siminalayi, Fubara, Grand Service of Rivers State. Let me also use this opportunity to appreciate him for giving me the opportunity to serve as head of service. With loads of misinformation on print and electronic media, I have chosen to put the record straight. I was not sacked, neither was I pressured to resign. I did so willingly from the depth of my heart. However, as an insider and a key player in the administration, and by my position, who worked closely with the suspended governor, it would be unfair for me to keep mute or for me not to address some key factors that have affected or that will affect our state if we continue on this trajectory. And of course to say that good men must talk so that